Are spare parts of SE2 and SE3 compatible with each other? Today we continue to test the parts compatibility of SE3 and SE2. According to our observations, SE3 and SE2 have different main boards, loudspeakers, and battery sockets, so we swapped these three parts to test whether other spare parts are compatible. First, tear down both phones. This process takes a long time. If you are familiar with it, you can jump to 1 minute and 24 seconds directly. Tear down completed, we can see that there are obvious differences between two main boards and loudspeakers size. The battery sockets are also different. Second, swap the speakers, batteries, and main boards of both phones. The installation process is relatively boring. You can jump directly to 2 minutes and 42 seconds. As you can see, both phones can be installed perfectly. Third, power on test, to see if it can be used normally. Okay, phone is power on normally. Let us test their functions now. Enter setup page, connect Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, they can be connected normally. Vibration effect appear in the audio ripple, so microphone and loudspeaker work well. Insert the SIM card, dial number and place hands near speaker repeatedly. Phone can be dialed out, screen will turn off according to light proximity function. Insert earphones to test. The icon on the screen changes accordingly, which means the earphones can work normally. Try to charge both phones with USB cable. Phones can be charged normally, it means charging dock flex work well. Turn on their flashes, they also work normally. Test both camera functions. No matter front camera mode, portrait mode or video mode, they both perform well. So camera functions of both phones are used normally. Dim the outside lights and test with a strong light. Both screens can adjust the brightness according to the outside light. The automatic brightness adjustment function works well. Swap both phone case. Which can fit the mobile phone well, and does not affect the buttons function, so we can say phone case are compatible. What other parts do you want us to test? Please leave your comment under the video.